got plenty of power. All right, we don't have a checklist. Get this out of the way or the wind's picking up, slamming all over my face. All right, 2, 3, it's open. Giving it a quick priming. All right, that's good.
Yeah.
All right, guys, here goes hell. Are you ready? All right, check my throttle controls. How do they look?
Hand off the engine.
Looks good. Throttle's working.
Full on, full off. Hit your primer.
That's full on.
Yep.
Okay, that's idle.
All right.
And here's my lean. That's full rich.
All right.
Here's full lead.
You're good.
All right.
That's
and
it.
I'm gonna give it one. Let me go full rich. Give it one shot. Give it about right there. I'm gonna lean it out a little bit.
It's gonna have to refill.
Yeah. There was no. Anything?
I saw a drip somewhere.
Me too.
Anything now?
Hang on, we're leaking here. Hang on. Oh, you're leaking out of everywhere.
Oh no, that's what I spray it when I primer it.
Yeah, when you primed it, it leaked out of the
Yeah,
rocker cover.
Did it really?
And the,
God
oh,
damn.
here you go. These primers
It's
aren't
sprayed.
even tight.
All right, yeah.
These primers aren't tight, so.
All right, watch. Clear prop. Stand back.
Stand back, watch out.
Stand back. Clear prop. Fuel still pouring out of it?
No.
No? I'm giving it no gas, just plenty of air. Full air.
Hit your primer again.
Any of these tripped?
Oh.
Let's try it.
Hang on.
Prime it?
Push this one.
All right, here we go.
Hit your primer. I want to see if it starts spraying out again. You going? Yeah.
Yeah.
These primers are just spurting all over the. Yep.
Do another inspection on it. That's it.
All right, one last shot. I think it wants to start now. Watch. Come on, baby. Now the battery cards finally had it.
I don't think the fuel's actually going into the cylinder. So.
All right.